Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create a whiteboard style clip to use in an investor presentation.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Investor presentations are essential for communicating your startup's vision, value, and momentum. With Doodly, you can add animated whiteboard clips to your investor presentations. Today we'll pretend we're creating a presentation for a company called Acme Learning. They're launching an AI-powered tutoring assistant and want to impress potential investors with their presentation. What we'll do today is just create a short clip to include into their larger PowerPoint presentation. Let me show it to you real quick. I just started with 5 slides. Obviously, you're probably going to have a much longer presentation than this, but this is just to give you an idea of what's possible. So what we'll do is we'll go to this second slide here, and we will create a short Doodly video to go here. You notice it's a square in my layout, so that's what I want over here in Doodly. So let's go ahead and create it. So go to My Videos, Create New Video, and let's give it a title. We'll just call it Clip 1. Ideally, we'll have several little small clips in the presentation. To make it square under resolution, you're going to want to go down here to Facebook and Instagram. Click Create. And now we have a perfect square. Let's import our logo. So go to Props, hit the blue and white plus sign, and you can just drag and drop it in or browse. For now, I'm going to make it really large to start. So let's go ahead and think about our voiceover. So I'm going to go down here to the timeline, hit this little plus sign. When I'm ready to speak, I'm going to hit the little red microphone button. Here I go. Acme Learning believes every student deserves a personalized path to success. That's why we've created Lumina. Okay, so I did the voiceover. And I'm just going to tighten up this dead air at the beginning. I usually have a little bit of a delay before I start talking, and we move it down. And now we're going to build the presentation. And let's start with this opening here. Acme Learning believes every student deserves a personal... So I don't like how it scribbles on. I'd rather have it fade on. So let's click it, click the pencil. Reveal mode, just turn that to fade. Hit save and return. And for duration, let's make it half a second long. And then they're talking about we believe children deserve to learn or something like that. So let's go to characters and let's type in student. Let's take these kids raising their hand. Maybe her. Yeah, I like her better because I can make her bigger. So I'm going to delete these guys. And then maybe a stack of books. Let's just see. So something like that would be fine. Timing wise, let's make them about 2 seconds each. Go back to show preview and let's just make sure we like it. Acme Learning believes every student deserves a personalized path to success. That'll be fine. Let's add a little bit of time to the end of this scene. That should be good. Now we need a new scene. And in this scene, they're going to talk about why they created Lumina. So we want to add another graphic here. So make sure you're in props. Blue and white plus sign, and I have the Lumina graphic. And it just so happens to be a nice square, so I'm going to put it in here like so. If we wanted, we could add more sparkles. So let's type in sparkles. Some over here. And what we'll do, just for fun, is have Lumina fade in, and then we'll draw these on. So click Lumina, same process as before, click the pencil, reveal mode fade, save and return, and then these will just draw on. Again, we'll go for the short fade, and then 3 seconds is probably a little long for that, so we'll do that. You can right-click to preview. Lumina, an AI-powered tutoring assistant that will also be fine, I think. So again, scene settings, give it a little bit of time. And looking at my voice, my little waveforms here, I probably want this scene to be a little longer as well. So sometimes you just have to adjust based on what's being said. Next, we're going to talk about real-time assessments and interactive feedback. So let's put some text here. I'll go with this. It's closer to the font that we have in our presentation over here. It's not exact, but I think we'll use it. We'll go to props. Let's just find a rectangle. Use this one. And we'll put these words in the rectangle. So this goes behind it. Something like that. I like to have Lumina peeking behind this. So I'm going to go back to Canva where I made this. We'll just do something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and download him. Go back into Doodly and upload him. And he's going to go behind the box. My idea is he's just peeking behind here. So, and that looks cute. And then let's do some text. And that looks cute. The speech bubble should be about 1 second long. Good job is probably about right. And then this little guy can be a ½ second fade. And then these will adjust according to what the voiceover is talking about. So once again, go to show preview. And let's just take a look. Unique taste and style. Lumina engages students with interactive feedback, real-time assessments, and visual explanations. In early pilot programs, students... Okay, so the timing is fine. I liked all those just fine, but I did not like the hand erasing stuff. So go to scene settings, erase mode, smart mode, off, apply. Then we're going to talk about the real world results, right? So maybe down here we can just type those in. And then this last scene will just have the logo again. Actually, probably the Lumina one. So what I could do is just duplicate this scene. So right click, duplicate, and then move it to the end here. Get rid of this blank one. And that'll be pretty good. It'll already have my fade. I don't know that we need the second sparkles, so let's get rid of those. And then we'll just add some time at the very end. And it's okay if it's longer than my voiceover. Let me just fix this real quick. This needs to be word wrap. Needs to be much larger. And it needs to be much slower. People need to be able to read it. Now let's readjust our extra time at the end here. So this is set to actually insert a photo. I want to insert a video, so let's just delete that. And then we'll go up here to insert video, movie from file. And now I'm just going to go ahead and browse for my file. Here it is. And let's position it. That looks good. So now as they're going through the presentation, when they get to the slide with the video, we can set it up where we can play it manually when we're ready, or we can have it automatically played. If we want to have it automatically played, go ahead and click the video, click playback. Right here under Start In-Click Sequence, you can change that to automatically. That way, when you're doing the presentation and you get to this slide, it will automatically begin playing. Acme Learning believes every student deserves a personalized path to success. It's up to you how you want to do it. And obviously, as you build out your presentation, you can add more little doodly clips wherever you see fit. And it's the same process. Let's take a quick little look and then we'll be done. Acme Learning believes every student deserves a personalized path to success. That's why we've created Lumina, an AI-powered tutoring assistant that adapts to each learner's unique pace and style. Lumina engages students with interactive feedback, real-time assessments, and visual explanations. In early pilot programs, students using Lumina improved their test scores by 28% in just 8 weeks. We're redefining what educational support looks like: smart, supportive, and built for today's learners. And that is that. That's how you can use Doodly to create little animated clips to add to your investor presentation.